Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I have a brand new house to look at this week. It's 17403 Wiseman and it is a smart deal. It is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's go on and look inside. Come in with me. It's 2277 square feet. And you walk right into this beautiful dining area. Check out that hard flooring. We've got hard flooring throughout the house. Easy, clean, low maintenance. Now we've got a nice half bath right here on the side. Easy for your guests. And as we come around the corner to your right, check out the beautiful kitchen. We're going to look more at that in a minute. Come on and take another right. Check out this pantry and laundry room. Nice, spacious utility room right off the kitchen. Yep, I see that beautiful gas grill. These beautiful countertops leading right on out to this lovely patio. Check that out. Is that not ready for barbecues and family fun, friends? Yep, those are some nice beds out there with gardening available, but not too much to mow. Make it easy on you with lots of places to entertain and relax. As we come back in, oh, does that not look like a great place to curl up with a book or a good movie with that fireplace? And hey everybody, I'm right here. Let's go on upstairs. Come on upstairs with me and let's see what we've got. Again, this has lots of room. It's well thought out. You're going to love the floor plan. As we're upstairs, hello again. Come on and check out this primary suite with me. Aren't those floors beautiful? As we go on in, lovely, huge closet, lots of space. Come on down and come with me and check out where your clothes could go in here. All right, and then we go right on into this primary bath. Yep, that's a beautiful garden tub, double vanity, and that glass shower. Beautiful, ready to go, fresh and inviting every morning just for you. Again, there's lots of space in these bedrooms with these hard flooring. It's going to be a dream to keep up with. And this has a huge loft area. You basically get a whole second living area right here. Easy to go. Have a family room, have a second place to entertain, and oh, there's my beautiful husband right there in the office. Come on in and let's check it out. Let's see where he's been hiding. This office space with the double doors also features a closet, so you could use this as an additional bedroom if that was what met your needs. As we make our way on down the hall, look at the gleam on those floors. As we come on down this hallway, we're going to take another right into a secondary bedroom. These are nice sized bedrooms with beautiful closets, nice views, easy again to keep clean, easy maintenance for your family, for guests, whatever your needs might be. Come on and look at it with me. I hope to see you this weekend. As we go on around the corner, we're going to see another bathroom upstairs. This is a full bath, easy and convenient for you. This is a beautiful home and I hope we get to see you this weekend. Hey guys, I talked about how convenient it was going to be to keep this house clean, but did you notice that most of the services and amenities are within 2 miles of this house? Look at how many choices there are for schools in this area. There's lots to do in the outdoor, and check out those restaurants, 105 restaurants and only within 5 miles. I'm telling you, this is going to be a great place to be.
Hey everyone, it's David.Dunn. The open house has been extended to Sunday, November 24th from noon until 4 p.m. Come in and check out this great 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house. See you there.
For more information and market updates, please press like and subscribe to our channel. We love comments. And please share this channel with your friends. We hope to see you soon.